Hi learners! Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll learn some simple English phrases you can use every day. If this helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe. Let's start. I am very tired.
You should rest.
Sorry, I am late.
No worries. Glad you're here.
I need some help.
Sure. What can I do for you?
I love ice cream.
Me too. What's your favorite flavor?
I forgot my phone.
Oh no, do you need to call someone?
I don't feel well.
I'm sorry to hear that. Get well soon.
I need to go now.
All right, see you later.
I am very busy today.
I understand. Let's talk later.
I need some rest.
Yes, take care of yourself.
I will text you later.
Okay, talk to you soon.
I had a great time today.
Me too. Let's do it again soon.
I had a long day.
I get it. Hope you get some rest.
I love watching the sunset.
Same here, so peaceful.
I need to set an alarm.
Good idea. You don't want to be late.
I love fresh air.
Same, feels so refreshing.
I can't stop laughing.
Haha, it must be really funny.
I am feeling sleepy.
You should get some rest.
I am ready to go.
Awesome, let's head out.
I am so confused.
It's okay, let's figure it out together.
I want to learn English.
That's great, keep practicing daily.